Hi, this is Dan with basements101.com. Today we're going to do a quick review on the Braun Series 3 Razor. This razor is a Series 3 and it comes with the clean and charge station and the razor, and it all charges together. Quick overview on the razor. It's got a trim thing that you can use to trim a beard. Turn it on, it's got the trimmer here. Use it to trim the beard, works pretty good. And then it's got the 3 heads here, and to do the shaving part, shave after you do the trim a little bit. And then it's got the on-off switch on the front, and it's got the power, telling you if you got power on it or not. Charges up, it's got the LEDs to tell you when it needs another charge. It also comes with this charging station and cleaner. The cleaner is alcohol, little alcohol thing that goes down here in the bottom. It's pretty easy to put in. You just take the top off of it, pull the little plastic thing off, you put it in there, and you slide it back down, put it together. When you put the razor in after you're done shaving, you just put the razor in there and push the little button down, and it automatically starts the cleaning cycle. Runs the alcohol through here and cleans out the blades. It does that a couple times, couple cycles, and charges it. You can also use the charging cord, plug it straight into the razor if you want. This razor is waterproof. You can use it wet or dry. It's easy to hang on to. It's got the extra beard trimmer on there, and they have a 60-minute, usually a 60-minute life on them. You can shave pretty much for 45 minutes, so you can just charge it up, take it with you, and then bring it back home if you want to. It's going through its cleaning cycle now. When it's done, it will just stop cleaning, and just next time you're ready to use it, you just push the button, take it out, and you go. And that's about it on this one.